Hello traders, a very good morning. So the date today is 15th of September 2022. The time now is 9:12. So the market is about to open. So today I'll be trading live in Bank Nifty on this expiry. So it's gonna be interesting. So I have my levels here. So this level is the day high of yesterday, and this level here is another resistance that we have on the upside, and on the downside I have the day low of yesterday. So Bank Nifty is opening at 41,533. So it will be opening at around this level. So it will be interesting. So yesterday, if you see the price action, then there was a very huge short covering in the market. The price rallied upwards, and it was about a 1300 point intraday move yesterday. So it's a massive move. So let's see, the market is about to open. Just some seconds left. So yeah, the market is opened. So it's a gap up opening. The market is trying to test yesterday's high. So the countdown to bar close was not showing. That's why I refreshed. So now it's showing. So yeah, it has broken up yesterday's high, and I may look for a trade on the call side. So I have to look at a proper strike, So traders, this stop loss will be too high. I will wait for some momentum, and I will place my stop loss at the low of the momentum candle. So here, so traders, I'm in. So my stop loss will be below this candle. So I'm expecting a quick spike. So this morning I'm trailing my stop loss. So it was a quick trade, my stop loss is hit. I may look to enter again. So it's 3 red candles in a row. So price is definitely bullish. I'll look to exit now. traders, yeah, I've exited. So I couldn't make much, If my first trade SL wouldn't have hit, then I would have been in some profits. But it's okay, It's morning hours, and we have to be very quick in entry and exit. So especially I'm trading in 1 minute. So here in the smaller time frames, it's all about execution. So 3 green candles, sign of bullishness in the market. So Bank Nifty is more bullish than Nifty. So some error with fires, I guess. Yeah, I'm getting notifications in my mobile, and when I'm getting, I am seeing the order temporary in the fires window also. I guess it's not a big issue, and I may continue my trading. So traders, if you see the Bank Nifty chart here, then it has broken up yesterday's high, and and it may go on to test this level here, 41,830 level here. So if you get a exhaustion like this, then we may enter on the impulsive wave. So today I wanted to trail my SL. Had my the stop loss of first trade would not have been hit, then I would have trailed my SL candle by candle, and I would have captured a good profit. And after my first trade stop loss was hit, I wanted to take up a quick profit and stay in green, so as to not spoil my psychology. Because when the first trade is in red, it is very important that your second or third trade do not close in red. Otherwise, it's not good for psychology, especially on expiry days, where where I want to be trading for some comparatively more time than on the other days. So it's a nice move we are having. So I'm automatically locked out of fires. So temporary glitch. So nowadays, fires is facing many glitches. Luckily my positions are closed. So I'm being able to log in on the Fires mobile app. So this is the trading view. So Bank Nifty is bullish. So we are getting this we may be getting the exhaustive move now, corrective wave. So generally, if there are a series of green candles, then the first red candle gets taken out. So maybe not the case today, and you're getting a proper exhaustion of this impulsive move. So finally, yeah, I think I've been able to log in. So it's at our resistance zone. So it's definitely not a good idea to buy at the resistance zone. Let me put an indicator here, RSI. So I would have wanted this exhaustive move to come somewhere at this point here, you know. Okay, so we are seeing a breakout of this resistance here. Let's see if it sustains or not. I don't want to, you know, though there is RSI divergence, the price is at resistance, you know, still I don't want to be looking to short at this time, you know, because you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there have been a series of green candles. So definitely a better trade will be a breakout of this resistance. The risk to reward will be favorable, and the probability of the trade going in our direction will also be favorable if you go with the trend. So if I mark here, this will be our range bound area. Higher chances that we will get a breakout here. So there's the same trade with the trend until it bends or something like that. So I will looking to do the same. You know, as a trader, more than analysis and, you know, strategies, The most important things are your temperament and your execution. So yeah, I'm recording and sharing this live video, but here more than what I say, put attention to what I do, because a good trader will make money even if his analysis or his thinking go wrong. It's because of his temperament, and his execution. So as a trader, so we must have to adapt, and change our views within minutes, seconds. If you are a scalper like me, trading one smaller time frames like 1 minute or 3 minutes. So it's all about making money. So even if I have no problem, to see my analysis fail, to see if my direction fails, if I am able to make money or save my money, then it's all okay for me. So we are seeing some cool off of the RSI too, which is good. So let's wait for confirmation. My bias is definitely on the upside. So we have to remember that the market is in a resistance zone, and the price may see selling from this point also. We are getting a breakdown with a nice red candle. But at this point I am not interested to sell. So today I have bought here. So I've quickly placed my SL. So So on this lower level of the range, we had a green candle with a nice wick rejection. So I felt it was a good entry. But I didn't get the momentum which I would have wanted. So I'm trailing myself fast, because if I'm wrong, then I want to give small loss. So there's no point holding to a losing trade. So traders, this trade has ended in a loss. We may get an opportunity on the downside. So traders have entered. So let me quickly place my SL. So you can get a quick spike on the downside. So my stop loss is at cost now, so it's a no loss trade. So we may get a quick spike on the downside. The momentum must be quick, or if price holds, then it may reverse. So which is exactly what it did. So trading with small stop loss is not easy. So you must be able to enter and exit quickly, and giving small losses should not be a big deal. So you might see some quick fall in the market. So it's a no loss trade now. So traders have looked to exit now. So traders, my position is closed. So I'm in a profit of 2,992 up till now. So the reason why I closed is that this level may act as support, and the momentum was a very quick. So I have to keep in mind the, on the strong bullish opening of the market, the strong green candles here, and we might see some buying from this point. So this was the reason I closed. So I have my call chart ready in case the price tries to go up again. So in this move, a lot of put sellers are getting trapped, because after such a very strong opening, the market is falling. So for 4 consecutive red candles now, so it is unlikely that the market will fall all at once. If something like this happens, then we might see a brutal fall. So some rejection. So I've entered, guys. It has to be a quick trade. So guys, it was a quick scalping trade. So I'm in a profit of 4100 now. So as expected, in this level here, the bulls tried to buy, and as a result, the price is going up. So it's a very volatile market nowadays. And trading Bank Nifty, on a smaller time frame like 1 minute is something, it's a tough thing. Your decision making must be spot on. You must have no problem giving small losses. You must be able to enter, re-enter again. So it's all about a game of temperament and execution. So market is in a very interesting junction right now. the market falls from here, then I can just imagine how brutal this fall might be, because yesterday was a very massive short covering move on the upside. So if you look at the larger time frame, look at the daily chart, the market is at around its all-time high. And the world markets, if you see the American market, European market, the other Asian market, they are seeing some massive selling. The economy is kind of fucked up. There's inflation, there's all sorts of negative economic wise, if you see. And our market, till now is not in synchronization with the world market. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. And as a trader, we must stick to our rules, follow our process. So as I'm having my breakfast too at the same time, so from this level here, the market has taken some support. Let's see how the price behaves to this resistance zone that we have on the upside. So Nifty is less bullish than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is up by 0.7% and Nifty is up by 0.2%. So scalping is all about waiting for the right opportunities, and when you see them, it's striking right at it, so with a small stop loss, so that if you are wrong, you may close the trade and you may be able to enter again. So this support here doesn't look convincing to me right now. So if you see in the options chart, then it is a rounding bottom pattern. So it's a very strong reversal pattern. Also, this is like a cup and handle pattern also. So this is the cup. And we have a handle here. So break out of this handle, may give a move on the upside, which means this is a put chart, so the market can fall. So risk to reward wise, this entry looks good. But this is what I'm thinking, and this is not the what market is doing right now. So we must trade, on the basis of what the market is doing, not on the basis of what they are thinking. So now, is it doing what I'm thinking? So I have my order here ready. Let's see if I get an entry. So I'll reduce my quantities here, and it will be my last trade, guys, today, because I just had some protein right now, and I will have to work out. So traders have entered. Look to exit to here. So yeah, my positions are closed, guys. Just a small profit on this trade, and I'll look to close my day too. Because I have had some protein now. I didn't want it, but my maid brought it to me, and today I hadn't worked out in the morning. But as it was my daily routine to have some protein now, so she brought it to me, and I had to have it. So now I got a workout. So uh, okay, guys. Hope you have a great day. Cheers, guys. See you soon.